Welcome to Career Guru. We are back with another video that is how to crack any interview. So let's start with the first point, preparation. Before appearing in any interview, it's very important to prepare yourself. You need to do proper research about the company or a brand. Start with the company history. Every company has their own mission, vision, and promises, and they are committed to them. You can Google it or even can collect information from their Instagram or Facebook accounts. And other than this, prepare your CV and some basic questions like introduction, etc. well. Grooming. First impression is the last impression. And actually it's true. When it comes to cracking interviews, every effort counts. It is very important to be ready for the interview from your heart. The very previous day, both men and women pay yourself a visit to the salon for proper grooming because you can't afford to look shabby. Try to avoid brightly colored clothing. Always choose subtle colors that have a mild impact on the interviewer. And very important, try to wear formal clothes only. The more simple your look will be, you will seem like a down-to-earth person. Be well groomed, which will always leave you with an extra confidence. Smile. Smiling is a natural part of any conversation. Smiling sends a signal to the brain which promotes feeling of joy and pleasure. So if you want your interviewer to enjoy your interview, then don't forget to smile. Practice smiling in front of the mirror. Upper lip should be straight and lower lip should be curved. So don't forget to smile when you are interviewing for a position and you could soon see yourself with a job letter. Body language. Body language reveals whether the candidate is confident, goal-oriented and focused. An effective body language can help you communicate a positive message. Sitting tall with your back against the back of the seat will communicate a message of confidence. Avoid playing with your hair or touching your face because it will make you appear unprofessional. Keeping an eye contact for 2/3 of the interview can convey a message that you are engaged. Try to holding your hands in your lap. Be early. It is best to arrive at venue at least 15 to 20 minutes prior to show the interviewer that you value punctuality. The interviewer will expect you to be punctual in your job role. They can trust you to be on time for your new job. Firm handshake. Handshake is a key element. A firm handshake is a sign of a strong personality. Handshakes are a sign of outward confidence. Extend your hand straight, not palm up or palm down. Clasp the other person's hand firmly. Shake once or twice and then let go. Don't keep pumping up and down. Once you are in the interview room, there is no coming back from there. So give it your best shot. Go get that job. All the best.